Hey guys, since everybody asking about the video, I don't know how to start it, but I try my best to explain everything on the bike. So let's start from the front probably. From the front, let's talk about the tires. The tires is actually very common, you know, Shinko A74 So I'm using this size. I don't understand about the size, but this one is 130, 80, minus 17. Go figure. And that's the tire. Next one, let's talk about the front fender. The front fender is actually customized by DMWorks. So this one, if you want to change this tire, you will definitely need to upgrade the front fender, because the stock front fender, it doesn't fit this one. Your tire will touch the top of the fender. So if you want to change the tire, you have to upgrade the front fender as well. Okay, the next one will be the light grille cover. It's actually custom made by DMWorks as well. They already custom built it to plug and play. So it make it easy for the XSR155 owner to just buy it and they can just install it by themselves. The next one will be the side cover. I don't know, I can't really remember what it's like this one on the side one. I don't even know what it looks like, the stock one. They installed this for me and I asked them to powder coating this side as well to make it black. The blinkers is definitely not them, but I think they order it for me from online. You can see a lot of blinkers like in AliExpress. I remember on my XSR700, I have a few parts from AliExpress and the quality is pretty good as well. The grille cover is actually by them as well. You can see the DMWorks there as well. Grille cover is actually very common. It's good to have because you don't want to ruin the radiator. Lever is actually, I choose it from online shop and I asked them to get it for me. They offer me the other one, the RGB brand or something, but I like this short one and it's adjustable. I like the look as well. Next one will be the hand grip. This hand grip, I don't like the look. I actually want to change it, but at the moment, Treasure Garage, they actually out of stock, the one I wanted. So right now, I just leave this one for now until I can find the right one. The bar and mirror by Rhinowalk. It looks pretty good, pretty solid. Like if you sit like this, you kind of have to move your hand a little bit and move your head to be able to see behind you. Move on to the next one is the bar riser. I think it's really important because they put the riser here and the handlebar itself is make it higher as well. That's why the position is pretty good. You can see the foot peg on XSR155. It's not in here, you know, it's not in the front, it's at the back. So when you're positioned at the back like this, you have too much pressure in the front, you know. That's why if you use the lower handlebar, it's gonna be like too much pressure on your arm when you ride long time. Unless you want a cafe racer, then go for it. Let's talk about the exhaust. Exhaust is the first thing that connected me to the DMWorks, because I saw the exhaust online and I start searching to see who made this exhaust. I found the Instagram account and that's how we start talking, and here I am now with the bike. So I choose the black one and they powder coating it actually. It's not like a real black, they have to powder coating the silver one. And let's talk about this one as well. The foot peg, I asked them to powder coating as well to make it black like this, to make it blend in with the frame and everything else. Even the passenger pack, I asked them to powder coating as well to make it black. All right, what else? Did I talk about this yet? This is the side body from them as well, the custom one. So the stock tank, I think is the separated one in the middle, but they make this tank it look a little bit different. The top side is really good, but for me it doesn't matter because I'm gonna put the tank back there anyway. The next one, let's go to the custom seat, like the whole set of the seat by DMWorks. The only thing surprised me is they told me that because of the lining is really, what is this called? The stitches. The stitch is really thick. That's why when it's a big raining, it could probably water could get in from the stitch. But so far it's fine for me. And they actually give me a seat cover, like a rain cover just for the seat. I put it inside there. Next one is this. The tail tidy is a very common one. You know, you can find it anywhere, but they gave me the custom one from them. And this one, the turn signal, the same one like in the front. I don't know if I already talked about this one. This one is the plate is used to be the silver one. I asked them to powder coating as well to make it black. It's also a signature one by DMWorks motorcycle. I think I talk about everything now, guys. I think it's all done. Also, the foot pack is, I don't think it lasts long, you know. This one is already, yeah, you can see it, the powder coating is gone slowly. If you ever need parts from DMWorks, just mention HWPOV for a discount. And I get a little kickback if you guys use the code, so it helps support the channel too. Alright, I think that's it, guys. If I miss anything, just let me know. I will try to answer anything you guys asking. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope it helped, and I see you guys on the next one. Peace out. They're actually missing this one, they forgot about it. But right now they ship it to me and I just install it. It's very easy to install it anyway. So this is the final look.